Hi guys, we have a 2013 Infiniti JX35 and we're trying to replace the cabin filter. So you have to take this cover out on the passenger side under the glove box right here, and it has these kind of clips, and where you have to go is actually this cover here. That is the cover right here, and it's all the way up there, so it's a long cover. This has to be pulled out, and then the filter is going to show up right behind this cover. So in order to pull the cover, you just pull this tab upwards and the cover will open. You pull it down and the filter is in there, in that space. It looks like it's kind of too far in, so I'm gonna use a pick tool, a 90-degree pick tool, to actually pull it. Trying to catch it. Yep, there it is. And you're just gonna have to pull it down because it's kind of squeezed. And it may look smashed, but it's just there's not much space. That's the reason why it's coming out like this. And it has some dirt coming out too, so this is how it comes out. Okay guys, the direction, this filter has a direction, an arrow, and this is the arrow. So the way you install the filter is you install with the arrow pointing inside the car, not toward the hood. Again, it's inside the car, and you're gonna install the shorter side first in. You may have to kind of squeeze it in to get it in because it's a tight spot, but that's just the way it goes. So it goes in there, and you're gonna have to help with your two hands to see where it is, and it just goes in here in this spot right here, and you can push on both sides to get it in, because once you release it inside, it'll expand by itself. Okay guys, the way I moved this filter is I started with the bottom side first, and then you kind of push the upper side, and then it goes in all the way. Just push it with your hands, push it up there, and when you get to this line here, stop and do not push anymore, because you're gonna have a problem getting this filter the next time to be changed. You see now it's tight. It'll stop and it's good to go, and this is where it's supposed to be, and this is where it's supposed to sit. Yeah, and next thing is we just need to install the tab that holds it. This tab, it looks like it goes into a little notch first, and then the bottom clip. Well, it looks like this is not gonna go in. It actually looks like we have to push it in more, because otherwise it won't go in. Okay, so you gotta force it a little bit more by hand to get it in. Yeah, it's a hard job to do. I kept on pressing on this because it has to go on the top part. When you put your hand, you need to go inside in order to actually be able to install this cover with the clip. You have to push it a little bit, depending on how hard your filter is. You may have to push it a little bit more because otherwise you won't install. It has to go all the way up there. So I help myself by pushing this upper part first, then kind of holding up there, and then pushing this bottom part in order to clip. Make sure that the upper part is in, because it popped up on me a couple times. Maybe if your filter is soft, it's not going to do that, but in my case this filter is kind of hard, so it did pop up, but it's in right now. So this is it. This is the change on this filter. And then you install this cover here. You install this cover, which only clips, click, 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 and this is it. This is 2013 Infiniti JX35 cabin Pollen filter replacement. Again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.